20 swap's gonna be happening sooner than we thought, I guess. So on the way to drop it off at my buddy's shop right now. Alright, so now y'all know head gasket's blown on the Civic, so we're gonna be pulling the motor, probably rebuilding it. But in the meantime, we're gonna install this rear spools on my Ninja 400. Quick install. They're pretty easy to install. They pretty much just screw right on. So pretty much these things bolt right on. Pretty simple. Take this here. I'm just making sure the threads match, but screw in right there. Now some bikes, I don't know if you had to modify this or not. I don't think so. Most of them just come ready to install spools, so we're just gonna throw these ones in and then see what else we're gonna do today.
Gone somewhere and dyed my hair now. Wanna be alone. It's much to bear and you don't care, and I won't play alone. I got you in my sight. I keep all the words you said to me. I'll get you, get you, get you, get you on.
Alright, as you can see, we got those spools bolted on. So now we're gonna head to Levi's house. I think I'm gonna adjust the coilover again on the Hyundai. And I've done a video before. I can put it up here or on this side, but I have a video where I'm installing coilovers and I pretty much go over how to adjust them and all that. But today I guess I'll make another video explaining how the coilovers work. And other than that, that's pretty much gonna be it for this week. Nothing really going on. You know, got some bills to pay and stuff, so yeah, kinda don't have a lot of content, but there is a car meet later, so we might stop by that. Other than that, that's all we got planned.
Rewrite all the things you said that I should be. I'll get you, get you, get you. Now you beg me, please. Hey, now is there you.
So many of y'all may have some questions about the Hyundai. No, the intercooler is not hooked up. As you can hear, I don't know, let me see. As you can hear, the turbo's still open. Yeah, probably shouldn't be running it like that. But, you know, it's the only car I got since, you know, the Civic head gasket blew yesterday. So, that's that. Alright guys, so we're down here, got the BC coilovers right here. I'm gonna just show you how to adjust them. So this bottom piece, this is what you're gonna adjust to adjust the actual ride height. And then these here, that just adjusts the tension on the spring. So I think this side needs to go up a couple spins. I'm not sure how many. Do probably 4, because the other side's pretty high. Maybe, yeah, 4. Then this just locks it in place. We're adjusting the camber bolt here, so we want to turn it to where this kind of, it'll push in like this. So we want to go all the way in. Kind of see it move. So right about there. Then we'll tighten it up. Alright, so we got the coilover adjusted on the Hyundai, I mean. let me show you what happened to it. Let's walk over here. So I'm gonna have to get some new coilovers from BC. The top literally snapped off, y'all. Look at that. So Hyundai's out. So is the Civic. So pretty much dailying the bike. There's gonna be a lot more bike content here for the next couple of videos, but we did install these already, so we're gonna go ahead. I got this plate delete, so it'll clean that up a little bit, because let me see, we had this big thing came off the bike. This is the stock rear end, and then this one's a lot smaller, so it should clean it up, but that's what we're gonna video now. Alright, I'm gonna run you through all the stuff we're gonna need. So you're gonna need you a set of Allen keys. If you have it, this makes the job easier. Just a impact or power drill, I guess you would say. But we're gonna take the housing for the plate, this plastic part. We gotta remove it from this metal part where all the wires are. So we're gonna go ahead and remove this from here. Show you where all the bolts are. Pretty much just, you got these two here. And I already removed this part from the actual bike. I didn't really videotape it, but I can probably do that again, just show you where the bolts are. But pretty much we just need to undo everything here. You'll need a screwdriver to get the lights out. Back in there and there. So we're gonna separate that real quick.
You were never meant to save me. Now I stay away, I'll hear you say you're sorry. Hate I even loved you, hate I fell in love with you. Hate I even loved you, hate I kinda fell in love with you.
Mine, I found it yesterday. Alright, so we got those parts off. Now we're gonna put this new one on.
Hate I even loved you, hate I fell in love with you.
Alright guys, so we got the plate installed on the bike. That's gonna be the end of the video for this week. Thank you all for watching my videos. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, share it if you can. And until next time, just remember, anything's possible.